been going palm nut soup. Boiling some pepper, hot pepper. Oh, I see this on TV and YouTube all the time. They're gonna pound the palm nut and get the juice out the palm nut to make the palm nut soup. I've been going. Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a continuation of a beautiful Sunday here in Accra, Ghana, here with my Ghanaian family. In this video, we are making our Sunday dinner. Sis stayed home and pounded the palm nut for the palm nut soup. And now we are pounding fufu. You're gonna see me take over for a little bit. This was my first time ever trying to pound fufu, and I only lasted a few seconds. It wasn't easy. They was like, okay, take it back from me. Come on, sis, it's your turn. It's not easy pounding fufu. So we continued pounding. So sit back and watch a little of us pounding the fufu and getting our palm nut soup and fufu dinner ready. Getting dark and we are about to eat plantain. So here I'm just enjoying the sunset as mom prepared some fried plantain until we were finished pounding the fufu so we could have dinner. Here you see in pounding fufu there's two ingredients. You see pound plantain and cassava. So here they're gonna add the pound plantain and the cassava together to form the fufu. The fufu is just about ready. Mom formed each fufu into a ball for serving size. You're gonna see her putting sometimes two into one bowl. That means more than one person is gonna be eating out of that bowl. This is part of their culture. They eat out of one bowl sometimes. That's a typical Ghanaian way of eating dinner with their family. In our culture in the United States, we have come away from eating together with our family. This was my first time ever eating fufu, and I had to practice eating soup and fufu with my hands, especially with the heat. So I had a little help. So sit back and enjoy us enjoying our meal. I've been going. Is ready. That's palm nut soup. Finally ready with some going. Is ready. It looks good with some fufu. Okay. Fufu looking good. She's making room for a going. Yeah. I'm loving this game.
That's it.
Yes.
I got 10. Go for 10 ma'am. 10 minutes. 10 city night down. Table.
Finishing product here.
Vemo penso.
Kwa 10 city down. 10 city down. One wafa.
Veka tensi.
Kwana kofa.
Tensi ne nyoko na mwana.
Kwana uga table na 10 city. My dear new. No, ma, can't somebody different.
Enum. She's adding enum meat. Enum meat. Enum.
This one is mad fish.
Ooh, mad fish. Oh, mud fish. Okay, that's catfish.
Some
Small catfish.
and
I have to try that.
different
So they added small catfish and cow meat. Mudfish, catfish, small catfish. Ooh, look at that big chunk. That's mudfish too? What kind of fish is that? Is that shark? Is that shark? No, that's not shark. It has bones. Salmon. Mackerel.
Yeah.
Now we have answered.
That's what we do.
If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Peace out.